Welcome to our Tips in 2 series, where we share tips around finding information for your upcoming exams and assignments and how to get the most out of using our online resources in just 2 minutes. In this tutorial, we'll be sharing our tips around locating online resources and other online supports in the library. So our first tip is how to access and locate academic databases and journals. So from the library homepage, if we scroll down, you will find a list of databases A through Z on the left-hand side under quick links, and underneath that you will be able to search for academic journal articles as well. If we look further, you will also be able to access past and current exam papers from this menu under quick links. The second tip that we have is accessing supports that are available to all students online. If we click into guides and tutorials, and scroll down the page, you will find a list of our subject guides available where students can find relevant, credible and important information on their specific subject area. If we scroll back up to all guides A through Z, you will see a further list of the different kinds of guides that are subject specific as well as skill specific. So firstly, we can see a guide on academic writing. If we scroll down further, you will find our referencing and avoiding plagiarism guide. And we also have a guide on finding and searching for information for your research or on successful searching and the different searching strategies. Lastly, if you want to find a physical book in the library, we also have a tool titled Map It. So if you input your topic, and we are going to select the refining option, physical books in the library, you will then see the tool Map It under each result in the library catalogue. If you click on Map It, you will see directions on how to find this item in the library. So that was our tips in 2 on locating and using online resources in the library, as well as our supports. Make sure to check out our other 2-minute tutorials in this series.